We're stopped at a lookout. Just driven from Whangarei up the coast a bit, past Nguru, if that's how you pronounce it, and in the distance there we can see lovely coastline, a couple of islands, which is where we hope to be camping near. Jan's got a shoe on her injured foot for the first time, walking a bit slower. But we've got this fantastic scenery around us, little bays, little islands, lots of expensive houses tucked away amongst the bush. You can see the poor night islands. So we were hoping to go to the lighthouse, but that involves coming down these steps and crossing here at low tide, which it isn't. Right, so back we go.